Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this jalapeno garlic sauerkraut. So this was my first time ever trying to make sauerkraut. For my New Year's party this year, I wanted to share some sauerkraut with my family, so I decided to make 5 different kinds. And this one I made specifically for my dad, and it was the most popular, which is why it is half empty. It is very good. Everyone I gave this to loved it, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this recipe. So in this bowl, I have 2 jalapeños, 4 cloves of garlic, and a slice of onion chopped up. And the jar I'm using to put this sauerkraut in is a 14-ounce glass jar that is actually an old kimchi bottle that I just cleaned and I'm going to be reusing. Now what I'm doing here is putting the salted cabbage in and mixing it with my extra ingredients. For the cabbage, I did not measure the salt, but typically I would say you would want approximately a tablespoon per pound of cabbage that you have. And you do not want to use iodized salt. I am using sea salt here. So after you've mixed this really well, you're just going to start shoving the mixture into your jar. And what you're going to want to do is pack this down really firmly and just keep kind of adding cabbage as needed to the mixture until your jar is full. So then you just want to pack it down really well, and you will have a lot of juice from the salted cabbage. It releases a lot of water. So just keep packing it down, and I have a bowl underneath my glass to catch the extra water. Next, you're just going to want to pour the extra liquid into the top of the jar. This is because to make the fermentation happen for sauerkraut, the cabbage needs to be covered at all times by the liquid. Then just put on the lid and cover it with a tea towel and leave it out on your counter for about 2 weeks, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter depending on the temperature of your room. And you can taste it every couple days as well as open the lid to release air bubbles. A white film at the top of the sauerkraut during fermentation is normal and can just be skimmed off, but if you see any colorful mold, please throw out the batch of sauerkraut and start again. Thank you all for watching this video, and if you try this sauerkraut recipe, please let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.